Well, hippo in Japanese is Kaba. Rhino in Japanese is Sai. Polar bear is kind of difficult to say in Japanese.
Rion's TV.
Hey guys, welcome to Rion's TV. I'm Raion. Go! So today, I'm in Shimamiya Tennoji Zoo. This is one of the popular zoo in Japan. In this video, I'm gonna walk around inside the zoo and I'm gonna teach you the Japanese animal name in Japanese. Alright, so let's get inside.
This Tennoji Zoo is right next to Shinsekai, which is next to Namba station. So if you like zoo, you can try this zoo. The entrance fee is pretty cheap as well.
Alright, so I'm inside the park right now. Yes, you know, such a beautiful day. So many people right here. Alright, so first, okay. We've got giraffe over there. Let's go to the Africa Savannah zone. Alright, so let's go. First animal I found is hippo. Well, hippo in Japanese is Kaba. Sounds easy, right? But, you know, if you make it opposite, that's gonna be baka, means stupid. So you gotta be careful though. Alright, so let's go to check next animal. Alright, so next animal I found is rhino. Rhino in Japanese is Sai. This one is simple as well, right? Okay, so let's go to check next place.
By the way, that's Tsutenkaku, Osaka's symbol tower. It has over 100 years history, so if you're interested in, please check my Tsutenkaku video.
Alright, so next animal is giraffe. Giraffe in Japanese, it's Kirin. It sounds easy as well, right? Okay, so let's go to check next place. Next animal is lion over there. Well, lion in Japanese is Raion. Yes, we have many Japanese words coming from English sounds, so that's the same word. By the way, that's my favorite animal over there. Well, he seems like busy, so let's go to check next area. Let's go. Alright, so next animal is penguin right here. Well, penguin in Japanese is Pengin. Easy, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's go to check next one. Alright, so next animal is koala bear. Well, koala bear is my favorite animal as well, but maybe he's sleeping or something. Koala bear in Japanese is koala. Yes, the koala comes from English as well. So it's easy to remember it, right? Okay, so let's check next animal. So next animal is deer. Deer in Japanese is Shika. Simple, right? Well, since so many deers in the park, the prefecture next to Osaka, so deer is not popular in Osaka Zoo. Alright, so let's go to check next animal.
Next animal is elephant. Elephant in Japanese is Zou. I am so excited to meet Zou because I heard there's a huge elephant over here. Unfortunately, he passed away 2 months ago, so I can't meet him anymore. Hope he has a good time in heaven. But we will all die one day, so let's enjoy the moment.
Alright, so last animal is polar bear. Polar bear is kind of difficult to say in Japanese. It's Hokkyoku Guma. The polar is Hokkyoku, bear is Kuma. So yes, it is hard. But still, it's kind of cool to remember it, right? Well, if you're interested in Tennoji Zoo and if you want to know more, please check my other video. Yeah, I shoot the video with 4K so you can enjoy the good quality as well. Alright, so this video pretty much that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video and you could learn some Japanese. Oh, by the way, I have an Instagram account. I usually post a daily Japanese life and Japanese food. And I posted animal pictures as well. So if you are interested in me or Japanese life, please check my Instagram account as well. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Your subscription really encourages me to take a next video. Thank you very much. Arigato. So, bye bye.